You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop! Tutu. Your tail didn't do anything to you.
Not some kind of secret collaboration is happening in this house or anything.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Stop working. Come on.
They really tried. I'll give them that.
Alright, yeah.
Don't do that.
This is how he said hi.
Hello. Ow! No!
Why are you sitting like that? Oh my god. Oh!
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Huh?
Don't do it.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren needs to best.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Beefing with my chick while I... What the?
just happened?
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Today, right. Start today, right.
Can you help me? Can you help me put that in there? Can we make it fit?
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah!
Oh. You want to come over for a treat?
No.
Woody, go to your cage. Vete para tu jaula. Vete.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
And they did it?
Two cookies, and I don't have any.
No. Oh no.
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
Oh, hello.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
No, I am not admitting to negligence when there was no negligence.
I don't really need to call you a non-party at fault. Jury payouts are always bigger.
Is there anyone around? No one, good. My chance has finally come.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. Yeah!
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
To like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome!
No.
I find this cute.
Beefing with my chick while I...
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Cats are already caring towards pregnant women, but pregnant cats? That's pure soulmate energy.
If you love animals as much as we do, don't forget to leave a like.
Can you read this? Oh my!
Oh my... Your familiar scent is another reason why your cat loves sleeping right on you.
You're gonna...
Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. Come on. Big boy. Big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get off my kitten. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
One time morning cat vivo! Race to the ice limit!
Looks like someone is...
scared.
Have a deep connection.
I know you lying. You don't want to be here no more. I don't understand why out of all the words I could say, like avocado, mango, banana.
They grow bigger every month, but never outgrow the puppy energy.
Fatso, want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
Oh my god. Sophie, stop.
Huh?
Should you?
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Oh, good boy. You wanna miss chomping the people?
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Don't try it. No, oh, Michael!
I know.
Or a fox. Funky.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god.
You're scared.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
No, God!
A real cat is one that overreacts at every little thing. See you next time.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Are you happy, Kermit?
Couldn't have picked a better spot.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Oh. You want to come? It's gone. What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my God.
Good job, Whisper.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want...
Bless you, 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 bless you.
Cheater. Come on. Bring your cat this way. Come on. Come on.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever. See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
옳은 거 아니야. 옳지. 한 번 더 써.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little.
Adopting fur balls this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to. Blankets are just for staying warm. Nah, it's also for treating itchy teeth to this kitty.
What? What is going on?
There you go.
No.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Determination, dude. Oh my god, that's why we couldn't find her.
I decided to quit work.
Skeeter.
Cats have super sensitive noses, so if they
Are a fox. Funky.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Excuse me, sir.
Can I touch you?
Hey.
Buddy move.
Sure. Sharky. Sure.
Damn it!
No matter how naughty they are, a pregnant human always makes them turn super gentle.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Yeah, that's a fair. Oh. You wanna come?
Oh my god, no!
Cause she looked.
evil. Evil, evil.
This.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Gary! People that love you. No, stop, please. Please stop. Don't stop.
Tiny bodies, unlimited chaos.
Come here. Come here. Show everyone your costume.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye. Sometimes you're also chosen as a quiet space for them to ponder the meaning of life.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.